Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. Have you heard these expressions before? 去不去,是不是,好不好,难不难? Maybe you have. Do you know what they mean? Well, remember back in HSK 1, under grammar point 1.3.3, to ask a yes or no question, we use the question word 吗? Is it good? 好吗? Did you know you can ask the same question with 好不好? Literally, it means good or not good. So the construction is adjective plus 不 plus adjective. 好不好? As an example, is my Chinese good? 我的汉语好不好? 我的汉语好不好? 难吗? Is it hard? Can be transformed into 难不难? 难不难? 汉语难不难? 汉语难不难? It's the same as 汉语难吗? 去吗 becomes 去不去? 去不去? Are you going? 去不去? 我去商店,你去不去? I'm going to the shop. Are you going? 我去商店,你去不去? 来吗 becomes 来不来? 来不来? 你来不来我家吃饭? Are you coming to my home for a meal? 你来不来我家吃饭? 去了吗? L is expressing completion, so 去了吗 means did you go? The answer could be 去了 or 没去. So the new way of asking the same question is 去了没去? Did you go or did you not go? 去了没去? Or we can omit the l and simply say 去没去? Similarly, 你来了吗 becomes 你来没来? 你来没来? 你是中国人吗 becomes 你是不是中国人? And 是不是 in itself can be used as a phrase to seek confirmation. For example, 你是不是喜欢运动? You like sports, right? 你是不是喜欢运动? 你很少生病，是不是喜欢运动? You rarely get sick. You like exercise, right? 你很少生病，是不是喜欢运动? Let's take a look at this in real life.
哎，你身体很好，
谢谢。
是不是喜欢运动？
刚才我说什么？你身体很好，是不是喜欢运动？很好。Daddy will be on a break tomorrow, right? 是不是明天爸爸休息？ We can also place 是不是 at the end of the sentence. 明天爸爸休息，是不是？ One more example. 我们星期一去北京，是不是？ We're going to Beijing on Monday, right? And that's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 2, Notes number 1. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.